Nothing unveiled phone 4B. It combines Nothing's signature design with powerful everyday performance, intelligent software, and long-term reliability. It features Nothing's Gleaf interface, category-leading Snapdragon processor performance, the largest battery ever in a Nothing smartphone, a 50MP OIS main camera, a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, and Nothing OS. It runs on Snapdragon 6 Gen 4, Qualcomm's latest 4nm mobile processor. The smartphone features a 6000 mAh battery. It records 4K video at 30 frames per second, powered by the combined strength of OIS, EIS, and AI anti-shake, delivering smooth, stable footage without the need for additional equipment. It features a 6.77-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Nothing Phone 4B will be available starting at an effective price of 29,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB variant and 33,699 rupees for the 8GB plus 256GB variant.